Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to share with you how can you download any software or a movie or a season in a single click. Just choose a software for a demo or a season for a demo. Uh, I have chosen uh, the season Friends or Money Heist. We can check that as well. On Google, write index of as I have searched for it earlier, index of season 1 English version, and here you will get the links of all the available downloadable links. Let me click on all the first three of them. So on this website you can see the seasons and the available links here. You can download them from here as well as from this website. You can see the rating of the season. From this link you can see all the seasons, season 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can download them from here. And if I search for index of Friends season 4, season 3, I have searched for it. And from I don't remember, but from first or second link I got the downloadable link. And here you can see, as I want to download the season 4, I click on season 4 and it will start. It will show me the episodes and I can download any of them by clicking here, and the downloading has started. I don't need it right now, so I have cancelled it. That's it for today. I forgot one thing. If you want to download any software, you can write that as well. Index of Adobe Illustrator 2021. From here you will get the link of the download. From here you will get the downloadable link of Adobe Illustrator CC 2021, and it will redirect you to the website from where you can download. Here is the link, direct download. And that's it for today. Like the video and subscribe the channel to keep yourself up to date.